he's emailing her to book the tickets. So it's official. We're going to Good morning, guys! It is malapit na mag-12 actually, but morning pa. And ito yung naiwan ko kanina when I did dance baon, yung cold rolls na ginawa ko kanina. So, liligpitin ko lang to kasi right after I did that, I went back to sleep, guys. ng mga 30 minutes. Tapos I took a shower and then now I'm up! I'm wearing my duster. Hindi naman siya duster. Actually, ngayon ko lang ito nasuot. It's from Showpo. Malaki kasi sa akin to. Sobrang laki sa akin to. So, sabi ko, hindi ko siya sinusuot at all. So, gawin ko na lang siyang pambahay. Diba? Komportable pa siya. Because I was planning to wear this with belt and like, you know, wear out. But no. Anyway, ligpitin ko muna to, guys. Tapos, yan, ready na ang aking coffee. Let's have coffee. Malapit na maubos yung aking brown and creamy. Dalawa na lang natira. Na lang ganito. Guys, I have makeup on. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko yung makeup. Nakakaloka. Nag-film ako ng, I tried following a Kathleen Lights makeup tutorial. And ito yung nangyari, guys. May pa-bronzer akong ganap. Pak! Anyway, magluluto ako ng siomai. Yun. Hinihintay ko lang na maboil yung tubig para ilagay ko siya sa steamer. Kasi iti-test ko yung ating isang maliit na siomai. Iti-test ko siya before ko i-steam lahat kasi baka kulang pa siya sa lasa, ganun-ganun. At least ma-fix pa natin siya, diba? So, isa na muna. Na-learn ko yung trick na yan kay Manay. Thank you, Manay. Chona and my kids. Yung kanyang channel. So, ito. Ay, ito yung steamer na binili namin sa Kmart. Yan. Handy talaga yung steamer na yan. Sana magustuhan to ni Dan yung siomai. And meron pa akong kailangan gawin, magdi-declutter pa ako, which is gonna be a different video again. Pero, yeah. I've been watching this channel, guys. Yung Shay Whitney. Yan yung channel niya. Yung channel niya, mostly about mga designer bags, stuff like that. So, wala lang, nood lang ako. Pinapakinggan ko lang siya while nagluluto ako kanina or nagpe-prepare ako ng lulutuin kong siomai. Kailangan ko matapos to kasi mag-film pa ako ng declutter video. So, kailangan ko na talaga i-film yun, guys, kasi ang gulo-gulo na talaga ng closet and naiinis ako ng bonggang-bongga. Alright, so boiling na yung ating tubig. Lalagay na natin yan. And then, maglalagay tayo ng isang siomai. Ay, ano pa pala yan? Wait. Pero magbabrush muna ako ng oil para hindi dumikit yung ating siomai. Yan, isa. Takpan natin. So, yan. Hihintayin ko siya ng siguro mga 10 minutes lang, guys, kasi siya lang mag-isa or maybe even less than 10 minutes. I-check ko siya mamaya kung luto na siya, tapos iti-taste natin siya. Okay, guys. So, luto na yung isang siomai. Iti-test natin siya. May itsura niya, guys. Wait, luto na ba to? Yung hindi mo alam kung luto na siya o hindi pa. Masarap siya. Okay na to, guys. Lulutuin ko na yung lahat. Guys, nagsisimula na ako magsisi kung bakit ako nag-siomai today. It takes a lot of time to do siomai. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ko naisipan na mag-siomai. Konti na lang yung natira. Kailangan ko pa kasi mag-declutter. And gusto ko yung gawin before dumating si Dan, but it's already 4, so hindi ko alam. Ito na lang yung natira. Meron na akong mga nabalot dito. So, yung iba ni-steam ko na pagluto nun, lulutuin ko yung iba naman. Pero, okay lang, malapit na guys. Pero sana hindi ko to ginawa ngayon kasi ang dami kong kailangan gawin. And especially yung declutter, yun talaga yung gusto kong gawin. Yun talaga yung gusto kong ma-achieve today. Anyway, malapit na to. Malapit na ako matapos, guys. Ito na lang yung last batch. And yan yung ating siomai. Sobrang, I was so close to like atrasan yung siomai. Kaya lang, wala, nandun na eh. So, tinapos ko na lang siya. Oh, by the way, binili to namin. Gustong-gusto siya ni Dan. Wala lang, gusto niya lang paglaruan. Ito yung, sabi ni Dan, parang spirit animal niya daw. So, kapag ano nga ulit yun? Yan. Tingnan yung paa. Ganun. Anyway, sisimulan ko na yung declutter na video, guys. Tapos babalikan ko na lang yan kasi tapos na yan. I mean, matatapos siya after like mga 15 minutes. Guys, nandito na sa Dan. Nakapag-start na ako ng declutter video. Pero hindi ko alam kung matatapos ko siya ngayon. Nakakainis. Ito yung dahilan ng lahat. Ito yung dahilan. Okay lang naman. Babe, did you try the siomai?
Yeah, I had about 10.
10? Did you like it?
I loved it. It was beautiful.
Thank you, babe.
It was really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Thanks. Is it really, really good, babe? Guys, ibubuk na din yung next holiday namin. The ultimate holiday of the year. Meron kaming... Is she an agent, babe?
Yeah, probably.
Tiffany? Meron kaming travel agent na kinakausap every time na nagpapabook kami ng flights, especially kapag overseas. Nakilala namin siya actually nung nagpunta kami sa, was it student flights, babe?
Yeah.
Student flights sa Marion, was it? Or?
Nah, she's just a mobile lender.
No, but we found her, or we met her when we went to this mall. Where? T3 Plaza, guys. So, nagpunta kami doon. Nakita namin to. Kasi sa labas ng student flights, merong parang trip to Japan. We're not going to Japan. But like, I'm doing a story time. Nagpunta kami doon. Tapos na-meet namin tong babaeng to. Binigyan niya kami ng card. Kasi nakita namin sobrang ganda ng deal ng Japan. And we actually booked that Japan ticket last year. Kaya lang, hindi yun natuloy. All book na yun, guys. Hindi natuloy because I got the job. And simula nun, siya na yung lagi namin kinakausap. So, pina-replace namin yung Japan ticket to Philippines. So, lagi namin siya kinakausap. Now, for this year, plano namin pumunta sa US. And ano na yung holiday ko, guys. Na book na yung holiday, na approve na yung leave ko. So, Dan has been working on getting it booked for the last week. And kinontak itong agent na to, and then she got back to us with a quote, and okay naman yung quote. Hindi siya like, alam na namin na magiging expensive yung holiday na to, but so ready na kami. Pero nung binigay niya sa amin yung quote, may nakita pa si Dan na mas mura pa. So siguro that was maybe like few days ago. Tapos, and then today, parang minatch niya yung price namin, kasi I'm pretty sure nakakakuha naman sila ng discount. That's why we went for her. Hindi naman siya over dramatic na difference yung pamasahe, pero at least na-match niya yung nakita ni Dan. I think that was from what she quoted previously, and now?
It's a little bit different because we got the Vegas flight not her to do.
Yeah.
We probably got about $200 cheaper, so.
$200? Yeah, so it's not right. Oh, per person. No, that's good. Yeah. So $400 out of like the total trip off. That's good. Kagabi, nabook na ni Dan yung interstate. Kasi sa US, plano namin pumunta, like mag-land sa New York, tapos stay in New York for a week maybe, I don't know. And then, si Dan yung plano ng holiday daw, guys, kasi ito yung gustong-gusto niya talagang gawin. And for the past 3 years, yung gusto ko yung nasusunod lagi, which is Pilipinas. Gusto ko talaga umuwi lagi. And this year, ibigay namin natin sa kanya, kasi gusto niya talaga pumunta doon. So, he's organizing it. And yeah, he's emailing her to book the tickets, so it's official. We're going to the US. It's gonna be end of October, so it's not anytime soon, but you know, time flies. So end of October to mid-November, mga 3 weeks kami dun, guys. And paano kami? Paiba-iba kami ng states. So we will go to New York, Vegas, and
LA, San Francisco.
LA and San Francisco. So yes, punta kami doon. I'm actually really excited. It's not gonna be cheap, but it's alright. Anyway, that's that. So, sa mga taga-US dyan, sana magkita-kita tayo kung taga dun kayo sa mga na-mention ko na states. But yeah, I'm gonna go back to my declutter. Is Married at First Sight on today? What time is it gonna be on, Dad?
7:30.
What time is it now? Oh, you're home early. 5:30 is it? It's 5:30 now. Guys, natapos ko na yung declutter finally. Yun yung goal ko today. And nagawa ko siya. So, I'm so happy! Yan yung mga clothes na I'm getting rid of. I-go through ko muna siya kung ano yung i-donate ko talaga. Yung mga nagamit ko na, like, you know, tsaka na, i-donate ko sila for sure. Pero yung mga hindi pa nagamit, yung mga tag pa, i-go through ko sila and see if, like, mabibigay ko sila sa mga inday or like family back home. But yeah, I'm so happy that's done. At least wala na akong iisipin. And at least hindi na pahirapan yung pag-open, pag-close ng cabinet ko. So I'm so happy. Yung nag-iingay is yung mga inday. Anong ganap? Dinner time! Siomai at tsaka kikuman with chili flakes. Yum! Kain! Guys, matutulog na siguro ako, guys. 10:15 na ng gabi. Though hindi naman sobrang aga ng shift ko bukas, so okay lang. It was a long day today, but it ended up being productive, which is good. Naka-film ako ng 3 videos, including this vlog. Yung pinaka-goal ko talaga is magawa yung declutter, tas nagawa ko siya, which I'm really happy about. And Ano pa ba yung gusto kong i-share? Sobrang thank you sa mga nag-share ng nila guys, ng mga experience nila about sleep paralysis. Nung nangyari kasi nun sa akin nung una, akala ko talaga ako lang. Tapos nung gumawa ako ng story time, marami nagsabi, ito sabi nga nila sleep paralysis yun. Most of you guys said na pray lang, pray. I do pray every night, guys. Every night talaga yun. Hindi ako yung pinaka-religious na tao. Hindi ako nagpupunta ng church. Pero I pray every night. Tsaka every morning, I do the sign of the cross. Yeah, nagpe-pray ako gabi-gabi talaga. Sobrang thank you sa mga nag-share ng mga experiences nila. Sobrang thank you sa mga nag-private message sa akin. Binibigyan ako ng mga tips ko ano yung gagawin. And some people as well commented na dapat you have water. I always have water. We always have water. Lagi talaga yan sa bedside table namin. Meron talaga kaming tubig. Kaya nga siguro hindi na nangyayari sa akin yun ng sobrang tagal. Because I've been here for like magto 2 years na ako dito, guys. Tapos first time lang talaga nangyari yun. Hindi na siya nangyari ulit na I don't want it to happen again. Feeling ko lang talaga siguro dahil sa stress and dahil sa sobrang dami-dami ko sigurong ginagawa na parang nag-aano na sila sa utak ko. Ewan ko ba? Pero yeah, so far wala pa naman, hindi pa naman nangyari ulit. Pero yeah, I always have water on my bedside and then I always pray as well before I go to bed. So yun, pero thank you so much guys sa mga nag-comment nun, as in thank you. Anyway, yun na yung vlog guys. I hope na-enjoy nyo tong vlog na to. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Then I forget, be good. Bye. Good night.